Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video today is all about the Porodo Soundtec headphones, and these are really kind of impressive. Let's get started. Okay, here we have it. As you can see, guys, this is the Porodo Soundtec headphones. They're really impressive, and the model number is PDX100 8 NWLH-RD. This is like the model number out of it. It's really kind of impressive headphones from Soundtec, and for further ado, let us just unbox it and see what's packed. So today there is no any kind of the top shot view. I'm working on it, guys. I'm really working on it to get a great and amazing, much better tripod for upcoming month. I might be just updating you guys, because getting that kind of tripod, I was just searching for it online, but I could not get it, because sometimes I love having that top shot, top shot view or top shot angle of the camera. It's really robust. Whoa, what's happening? There's nothing else on the box. I'm gonna keep the box aside. So here we have it. This is the Porodo Soundtec headphones. They're really impressive, and the color we're having it is red, but to be honest, it looks like pink, not red. Just right out of it, it just looks like pink, not red. Definitely. What's here? I guess it's just the jack. I'm gonna keep this aside first. What's here on this kind of tiny box? What's happening here? Whoa, that's a charging cable. Nice. So you're getting a micro USB cable, and this is a jack cable for connecting throughout the headphones, and it's looking plastic that much. I understand that jack cables, they're plastic, but this looks a little bit quite different. A bit like rubber material going there, but a little bit plastic. This is our bad boy here. Let us just see how much they can rest throughout your ears. So this is right, and this is left. Damn, they're really big in size. As you can see, guys, it's a little bit quite different compared to the normal Porodo headphones which I've come across, but these ones, they're a little bit quite different because they're headphones, and yeah, as you can see, they're resting no bad. It's really immersive when they're on your ears, because they're just, your ear is this way. This kind of cup, it takes the whole space. You can see it takes the whole space. That's the kind of difference than other headphones out there. A bit difference. So right now, guys, we're gonna test out how much they're gonna pick throughout the music. Let me just turn them on. Power on, and it starts saying to pair and stuff like that. Let us just pair it with my phone here and see what's happening. Whoa, hitting that music with that Still Dre from back in the days by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. You know what I'm saying? It's really impressive on this kind of Soundtec. I can say one thing about this kind of headphones. First of all, they're bass. They're just bass, immersive bass, but I'm missing out a little bit of vocals a bit, and that kind of music, how much it's gonna be pumped. I'm missing out something there, but the bass, it's 100% great. They're immersive, yes, immersive. Greatly, I'm under 100%. I can say, what am I saying? But they're really immersive, 100% guaranteed. The bass is just widening. It's widening. It's not quite bad, and it's really deep. As how they stated it, it's a deep headphones or deep bass on the box here. If you can check it out, you can see they stated somewhere here, deep sound wireless headphone. They're really the thing. It's legitimate, to be honest. So guys, right now we're going to talk about the form factor. To be honest, these kind of buttons here, first of all, they're plasticish. They're clickish, plasticish, and you can see here we are having the port for headphones, which the normal port for headphones, which I was talking about this kind of material here for the connecting between the headphones, which are here. They're really not that much great. I think I'm gonna replace that with other kind of aux cable, which they're like these ones, and I think they're gonna give me a much more better enhancement. Another kind of stuff, we're having the charging port, which is a micro USB charging, which is somewhere here, and you can see sideways here there's a small button. I think this is a microphone buttons, which they're here. They're both two here, 1 and 2 somewhere here. It's really impressive. On this side there's nothing else you can see, guys, but the way the material material it is, it's not quite bad. It's really impressive. It's really that kind of budget material, to be honest. Sideways, you can see here, it's just written Soundtec, just somewhere here it's written Soundtec, and on this side you can see it's written Soundtec, something which is really kind of brilliant. So guys, as you can see, these are the Porodo headphones. They're really impressive, they're really great, they're really good. It's not quite expensive, to be honest. They're really budget, and to talk about the pricing, they're less than $50. You can get them less than $50, which is they're really kind of impressive. And where can you get them if you're living in Arusha? You can get them at Gadgetronix, and it's really kind of impressive. Throughout Porodo Soundtec, these bad boys, they score 7 from the scale of 10 to 0, and it's quite not bad because the way the music, it's just too much bass. I think if you tweak around with the equalizer, you can get the best experience possible for your kind of headphones you want. That's what's up. Let's see how much they rest. I got the microphone here, so I don't want to distract anything. They're resting quite not bad, impressive. And is it adjustable? Well, yes, they're adjustable. You can see, you can adjust them. You can see me how much they are, so you can return them just by here and somewhere here. Yes, they are adjustable. You might be asking yourself that kind of question. Are they adjustable? Yes, indeed, they are adjustable. So there's a bit of confusion throughout the specs if you're gonna see the specs throughout their website, to be honest, because on their website they're stating it's having 1.5 hours battery capacity and 200 mAh of capacity of battery, which it's really kinda a little bit kinda confusing because on the box it's 300 milliampere of battery capacity, and the playtime here it's 16 hours. Meanwhile on the box is 21 hours playtime and a charge time of 15 minutes and use 1 hour, which it's a bit confusing, to be honest. It's a bit confusing. If you check it out on their website, I'll leave a link down below so as you can check out the specs throughout the website. But to be honest, there's a bit confusing. I think we're gonna go with this box, what they stated. I think there's a misconfusion throughout the website and on the box. So the battery capacity is 300 mAh. You get a 21 hours of playtime throughout this kind of bad boy. It's really impressive. And another kind of stuff, it's Siri enabled. So if you want to talk with Siri, I think it's enabled. And if Google Assistant, I think it's enabled too. I think so. I cross my fingers. We can try that. And another kind of stuff, it's pure bass, that's how they stated. The Bluetooth is 5.0, which it's really kind of impressive, and something which it's really kind of perfect. It's having sensitivity of 108 plus 3 dB, which is a decibel, which is really kind of impressive. So throughout the website, if you just go to their website, you see there's quite different specification from the website and from the box. It's a little bit different. I think that's a misconfusion throughout their website, but on the box, I think we go with these specs which they come through the box. That's what's up. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Porodo Soundtec. Are they for you? Are you looking forward for this, or are you looking forward for the Behance D02 Pro? If you didn't check out that review, click this card here up. Definitely you'll go and check it out. They're really impressive. The D02 Pro, they're really awesome from Behance, and this kind of Porodo, I'll be testing using them as my daily drive and see how much they're gonna stay or how much they're gonna pick. Are they worth it, or are they like, meh, I don't want to get these headphones? You know what I mean? That's what's up. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, peace.